Okay guys, so we're wrapping up the series for sunscreen, so I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you guys learned some good information. We have tons of different products and different treatments to really help to correct any past sun damage, and hopefully what you guys will take away from this video series is learning how to better prevent that sun damage from happening so we can all look 25 forever, right? So for those of you who have not been using sunscreen properly or have not been using the right one for you, you probably have some kind of sun damage out there, and that's actually one of the top treatments we do here is to correct sun damage. And there is a whole list of treatments that we do to help, ranging from microderms, chemical peels, laser treatments, laser resurfacing, aggressive treatments, non-invasive treatments. We do everything here. Again, feel free to call up here for complimentary consultations. I would love to meet with you and just kind of go over your skincare regimen as well as your sun care regimen and find something that's going to work best for you. Thanks, guys.